Say, hey, pineapple basil. Got my soapy word. Okay, so a pair of gloves would be nice, but I don't have any gloves today, so I just have to do it. I have my trash bag, I have my rag that I just dropped on the ground, I have my rag, and I have my soapy water to clean out the bird cage. Here we go. This is gross. Don't ever let your cage get like this. And seeds, birds, everything down in there. Whoa! So I'm going to just use a rag to get rid of all of it.
Use gloves. I'm out, but I had to make it work. Thank God for soap and water.
Smells like birds. I don't really know what birds looks like, but it smells like birds.
Scrub to scrub. Now I'm spraying the cage, letting it soak. Soaking helps the debris to come off easier.
This part is supposed to be so bad. But it has to be clean.
The things that we do for our bird animals, for our fur babies. When you love animals, you'll do anything for them. Don't let this get like this. Gross. Be sure when cleaning the cage you get into the creases, and also just really take your time and get it clean really well, because our birds deserve it. They need a clean environment. Sometimes things can get out of control because of life situations, but we can correct it.
Can you see that? No, you can't.
Headed to the finish line, almost finished. This has definitely been a chore. Flipping the cage upside down helps with the cleaning process. It helps you to get in places you wouldn't be able to reach if the cage was the opposite way. Come on, y'all, let's problem solve. It works.
Now, it's clean, everything went off, but it's a lot better than what it was. We're gonna let it dry, and then we'll bring it back in the house. Okay, so now we're ready to put the items inside the cage and go about our day. Here we go. I have the premium bird toy. I have the cuddle bone. Can y'all see me? Yeah. I have the cuddle bone. I have another cute little toy for them to play with. I have their bird mirror for them to look at themselves, and so they won't be bored, you know, so they can see how good they look. And I too have some more interesting little gadgets. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Sorry. I'm trying to hold on to this bag. I'm trying to blow away. I ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link below. I don't get paid to advertise the products. I'm just doing this because I want to.
What?
Okay. Hopefully this thing does not go off again. I have these little sticks for pineapple and basil to sit on.
Before y'all get to talking, I know there's a hole in my skirt. I'm cleaning. I'm doing a bird show. So it's okay for now.
And it also comes with these little things to secure everything. See?
While I'm putting the cage together, let's go over some of the objects that I spoke of earlier. Preening, the act of grooming oneself where it involves cleaning and arranging feathers using the beak. Preening bird toys provide birds with opportunities to chew, shred, and engage in preening behaviors. Cuddle bone is a calcium supplement for birds which helps to strengthen bones and promote beak health. Toys. Quaker parrots need toys to stay mentally and physically stimulated, which helps prevent boredom and associated behavioral issues like feather plucking. Bird mirrors provide companionship and stimulation, especially for lonely birds. Use mirrors with caution as they can lead to behavioral issues if the parrot becomes overly attached to its reflection.
Okay, so now can you see the whole top of my cage? Maybe I need to move it over a little. Okay, so now I'm about to attach all the little attachments. I'm so super excited.
Perch. Quaker parrots require spaces to climb, exercise, and rest. Perches are great solutions and are well needed.
Can you actually see what I'm doing?
Stay tuned for part 2, Quaker parrots and their clean cage. Clean cage, clean cage, clean cage. Oh, you see that? That's my hand. I mean, it's time to go. Bye, y'all.